Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about loops in C#. Okay, so let's talk about the for each loop, which is a different loop, which is still very similar to the for loop itself. So let's start by creating a integer array. Okay, an array of integers to be more precise. Let's define 10. Let's initialize this using the for loop. Okay, so we are going to use the for loop. Well, let's create an array with 10 numbers, and I'm gonna assign the number plus number times 2. So the for loop, for each loop, it's a very special one because it's very useful. Okay, if you are looping through a list or a collection, it is more practical than the for loop for two reasons. We can create a local variable. Okay, and I'm gonna talk about this now. So if I wanna iterate over the list, numbers array with for by creating a local variable, I will do something like this. Okay, so I'm gonna iterate over all the numbers, and I'm gonna create a local variable. I'm gonna call int number. Okay, and number will be equal numbers I, which is the index, and I can print the value of the current number on the screen by doing this. Okay, so I'm gonna use console.read key. Let's zoom in a little bit. As you guys can see, okay, I'm creating a local variable right here. So if I run this, I'm gonna see the output of the 10 numbers that I have in this array. So just a second while it's compiling. Yeah, it's taking quite a while. So, but this is actually for the for approach. Okay, the for approach to a local variable. So let's see, the building is still going on. Okay, it's done. So if I drag over here, you guys will see that I have done what it was proposed. Okay, to create a local variable and do some operation. In this case, just show the put on the screen. So the Foreach equivalent would be Foreach. Let's create a local variable. In this case, it is an integer. Okay, because each element of this array is an integer. So int number. Let's create this local variable, this scope, and let's use the keyword m, and let's use the array that we're gonna loop through or loop over, which is the numbers list. So numbers now is a local variable. Okay, it only exists in this scope, but if you do have another variable in the same program, in the same class, actually in the same method with the same name, the compiler will throw an error. Okay, so it's not a good idea to have two objects with the same name in the same method. So this will do the trick again. So let's comment this by using */. Let me just comment here. So let's execute and let's see the output. So the output is the same. Okay, but as you guys can see, you can compare this one approach to this one, and you guys can see this is very much easier to do than this one. Okay, so this is the video, guys. I hope you like, and see you guys next time.